Welcome to today's video. We are going to add and subtract with regrouping. We're going to represent our numbers in standard form and with base 10 blocks. Let's go. All right, let's get started. So we're starting off with a movie marathon of math. Miss Nova's class is having a movie marathon. They bought 248 bags of popcorn and 175 juice boxes for the event. First question, how many stacks do they have in total? So first thing we're going to do is write the number 248 in, make sure we're writing it in standard form. And it should look like this, 248. Then we're going to take 248, we're going to represent it in base 10 blocks. So if you recall, base 10 blocks are the ones that we model like this, 100, 200, because there's 2 in the hundreds place. Then there's 4 tens. We will draw the 4 tens like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And then the ones, we will just draw dots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 248 represented in standard form and in base 10 blocks. So now that I've drawn the amount of popcorn, I now need to represent the number of juice boxes, which is a total of 175. 175 goes here in standard form. And then I'm going to represent 175 in base 10 blocks. Again, base 10 blocks are the pictures that would look like this. 100, right? And then 70, we would draw 7 tens, 1 tens, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And then we need 5 ones to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100, 7 tens, 5 ones. Next step, we need to add up all that we have together. So let's start by adding the ones place. If we add up all the ones that we can see together, what would we get? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. What we need to do is group 10 of those ones together. So we'll group these 2 along with these 8. And that would be a total of 10 ones grouped together. Let's count again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. Perfect. Now that I grouped the 10 ones together, I'm going to take those 10 ones and put it in the tens place to make a tens. I'm going to keep it the color pink so we know that it came from the ones place. But I also have to make sure I delete all the ones that I just regrouped. Okay? So what I did, I regrouped and I moved it over to the tens place. My next step is to make sure or check to see how many ones do I have now? 1, 2, 3 ones. So I'm going to write 3 in the ones place here. Now let's look at the tens place. I'm adding all the tens together. Let's see what we got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tens. I'm going to group 10 of the tens together to make, tell me what you think it's going to make. Did you say 100? Absolutely correct. Group 10 of the tens together to make 100. Let's do that. There we have 10 tens grouped together, totaling 100. So you know what I should do next? Very good, should place it, take those 10 tens, put it over here in the hundreds place to represent the hundreds that I just made. But don't forget, I also have to erase the 10 tens that I just moved over to the hundreds place. So now, how many tens do I have left? Did you say 2? Absolutely correct. I do have 2 tens left. Now let's add up all the 100s. I have 100, 2, 3, 4. So 4 in the hundreds place. My final answer for 248 plus 175 is 423. That's my final answer if I'm adding together with regrouping. Now, my next question is, it says later, they discovered that 89 students already grabbed a bag of popcorn. How many bags of popcorn are left? So, I'm going to take my 423 total that I have here. 423. I'm going to represent 423 in base 10 blocks, which means I'm going to model that number with these pictures. 100, 200, 300, 400, and 1 tens, 2 tens, and then 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. My objective is to take away 89. So I'm not going to draw or represent my 89 because with subtraction, it's a little bit different. All I need for subtraction is my total amount, my big number, and I'm taking 89 out of that big number. So let's start off with 89. I need to take away 9 ones because 9 is in the ones place. But oh no, I'm looking at the ones and I don't see that I have 9 ones. What should I do? Could I do something similar like what I did with my addition problem? Absolutely. This is where I'm going to regroup. I'm going to go to the tens place. I'm taking away 1 of those tens. When I take away that 10, I'm going to break it apart into 10 ones. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And don't forget, now that I've moved my tens from the tens place and broke it apart into the ones place, I now have to erase it and get rid of it. So here I have a total. Let's count the total amount of ones that we have now. First we had 3 ones, then we added 10 more. That's a total of 13. So now, am I able to take away the 9 ones that I was trying to take away before? Absolutely. So let's go ahead and remove the 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones erased just like that. How many total ones do I have now? 4 ones. 4 in the ones place. Now look at the tens. How many tens do you see? If you said 1, absolutely, 1 10. But the problem is now I'm expected to take away 8 tens. And I do not have 8 tens. What should I possibly do? Well, this is where I have to regroup. Again, go to my next door neighbor, which is now my hundreds place. I'm going to take one of those hundreds and break it up into 10 tens. So that 100 is going to go to the tens place where it now becomes 10 tens. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, don't forget that you have to remove the 10 that you just took out, the hundreds rather, that you just took out of the hundreds place. You took it out of the hundreds place to put it in the tens place so that we can have enough tens to take away 8 tens. Well, now let's take away 8 tens. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens taken away, gone just like that. Now we have 3 tens left over. And then, take a look. We now also have 3 hundreds left over. So our final answer of 423, take away 89, is 334. You did that. You did the regrouping correctly. Yes, you did. I am so proud of you. Great job. I hope to see you on my next video. Make sure that you keep doing all your math. Keep up with your good work. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.